In the next few minutes, I will show you how to make this simple photo manipulation effect in Photoshop. This tutorial is for beginners, intermediate, and advanced users. In no time, let's get started. Open your image in Photoshop by going to File, then click on Open. Locate your image, click on it, then click on Open. Select the Crop tool. Drag the sides of the image to expand it. Rename your layer to orange by clicking on it. Click on the design icon, then select Gradient. Select black and white as the gradient. Under Style, select Radial, then check the Reverse checkbox. Click on the gradient to correct the colors. Select white for the first slider. Then make the smoothness as 100%, then click on OK. Select the scale as 150%, then click on OK. Drag the orange layer to the top. Select the polygonal lasso tool. Then drag it over to select the orange. Go to Edit, then select Cut to cut the layer. Then go to Edit again and select Paste to paste it onto a new layer. Drag the half orange closer to the orange. Then drag both the images to the position shown on the screen. Click on the New Layer icon to create a new layer. Drag the layer next to the last layer. Rename the layer to Shadow. Select the Brush tool and select the foreground color as black. Select the brush preset icon, give an appropriate size and make hardness as 0%. Drag the brush to give it a nice curvature. Go to the bottom and give the oranges a nice shadow. Use the Quick Selection tool to select the flesh of the orange. Hold the Alt key, then click on Layer Mask to mask the selection. Go to File, then click on Open. Select the water image, then click on Open. Use the Move tool to drag it to the work path. Then resize it over the orange. Select the Warp tool, then warp it over the slice of orange. Then make the foreground color as black. Select the Brush tool and make the hardness as 100%. Reduce the opacity. Use the Move tool to erase the water not needed. Make the opacity as 100% again. Select the brush tool and reduce the opacity of the brush. Paint over to make the image transparent. Go to File, then select Open. Open the fish image. Select the lasso tool to make a selection of the fish. Go to Edit, then select Cut to cut the picture. Go back to the work path, then go to Edit, then select Paste. Use the move to resize the image. Then select the blending mode of the layer as Multiply. Rename the layer to Fish. Select the brush tool. Reduce the opacity. Paint over to fill the image in.
That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.